In this example, we want to find the volume of a right pyramid with a triangular base. The base is an equilateral triangle with the perimeter of 36 centimeters. If the height of the pyramid is 25 centimeters, find the volume. So we know the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times the base area times the height. Well, we know the height is 25 centimeters, but we don't know the base area. What we do know about the base is the perimeter. And from that, we can actually find the area of the base. So it's an equilateral triangle, which means it has 3 sides that are all equal. So if we want to find the side length, we can take the perimeter and just divide it by 3. So let's call this side x. So we can say 3x equals 36. So our side length is 12. Now, we know each side is 12 centimeters of our base. So in order to find the area of our base, we now need to find the height. So we need to find ED. Well, to find that height, we're going to use Pythagorean Theorem. We can redraw our triangle here. This is half of our base, and we know this is 12, and we know this is just from E to C here. So that's going to be 6. So to find our height of our base, we're going to use Pythagorean Theorem, so we can say 12 squared minus 6 squared equals, we'll call this A squared. If we work this out, we end up with 108 equals A squared. So A equals square root of 108. We want to leave this in a square root. So now we want to find the area of our base. Well, area of a triangle is 1/2 times height times base So let's work that out. We have 1/2 times, we know our height now is the square root of 108. And we know our base length is 12. So if we work all this out, we can go ahead and simplify our square root. And that's going to come out to 6 square root of 3 times 12. So if we multiply 1/2 times 6, we end up with 3 square root of 3 times 12. And now my 12 times my 3 comes out to 36 square root of 3. So this is my base area. Okay. So now to find the volume of our pyramid, we need to multiply, if we come back up here, base area times height times 1/3. So let's rewrite that down here. 1/3 times base area times height. So 1/3 times 36 square root of 3 times my height is 25 centimeters. So we can work this all out. 1/3 of 36, we can just cut that, is going to come to 12 square root of 3 times 25. 12 times 25 comes out to 300. We're going to bring down my square root of 3. So the volume of my pyramid is 300 square root of 3 centimeters cubed.